just off the A303 heading into Yeovil, and a BMW driver decides to cut in front of me coming across the Hashings. Tut tut tut. On the M5, good job I'm behaving myself. Keep an eye on the white car in the front. And it's an unmarked police car. Good job I was being a good boy. A420 just coming into Bristol. We all pulled over because a large vehicle's coming, and the learner driver comes up because he thinks we've made space for him. Oh no, he's gonna squeeze past the big lorry carrying the locomotive, and here comes another car thinking that, oh, we've opened it up just so we can come through. So he goes back, I squeeze over and drive past the big locomotive. Tune in for more motorway and A-road madness here in the UK.